Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your homes, and I hope you guys have vaccinated yourself, and if not, please go and get yourself vaccinated. It's so important. So today I'm here and I'm going to talk about a very interesting product, and the product is, it's the Plum Body Loving Deodorizing Pit Cream. Now Plum Body Loving is in India for quite some time, and they are very well known for their amazing fragrant body products. So they have body butters, they have body creams, they have mist, shower gels, and so many more things. And the best thing about their products is that they have an amazing out of the box fragrance. It's very good. Actually used a couple of shower gels and body mists from Plum Body Loving, and they all are amazing. Now recently they have launched their deodorizing pit cream, and this cream basically is used as a deodorizer, and you need to apply it only in the armpit area and nowhere else. So I was very excited when they launched this product. This particular product they have launched in different variants. So they have the usual Hawaiian Rumba and different variants. So I have never used this particular variant, that is Vanilla Vibes. So I wanted to use that, and hence I got this particular product. Now let's quickly talk about the packaging. So this is how the outer box packaging looks like. A normal cardboard box, and wherein you have all the details mentions regarding the pricings and all that stuff. And when you go open inside, you have a very nice quality plastic bottle, if you guys can see, and this is how the product looks like from inside. And again, same details are mentioned in the inside packaging as well. Along with this bottle, they have given us very small spatula so that you can scrape out some product and apply it in your armpit area. So yeah, so let's quickly see the inside texture of the product. So this is how the product from inside looks like. It's a very thick, creamy, like it's exactly like your lip balm or a little thicker than your lip balm, and it's very creamy. So this is how the product looks like. Yeah, I'm going to scrape off some product and show it to you. So this is how the product looks like on the spatula, and then you apply it on your armpit area. So as of now I'm going to show it right here. Now if you see the product quickly blends and dissolves in the skin. So now if you can see, there is no product. Now talking about the price, this particular product is priced at 345 for 50 grams of product, and I got this product at a very good deal. I got it at 40% off from the Plum Body Loving website, and I think at 40% off, it's a very good deal. So I got this product for around 200 and something, which is amazing, I believe. And Plum, they always have some or the other discounts going on in their website, so I'm going to share their link right here for you guys to see. These products are also available on Nykaa and on Amazon as well, so you guys are free to check it out there as well. Now let's talk about my experience with this product. Now I've been using this product from quite some time, and the product smells amazing, as in it smells exactly like a freshly baked vanilla cake, if you guys know what I mean. It has an amazing fragrance. Second, it works really well. After you shower, you just need to pat dry your armpit area, and you need to apply a little bit of product. A little bit of product goes a long way. When first I applied this product, I applied quite some amount, and that is why it left a white cast. But second time when I applied, I took a tiny amount of product and I applied in the armpit area, and it was good. It did not leave any white cast. So you just need a tiny amount of product. Yeah. And third, it works very well, guys. Like in the morning, if you apply until evening or late in the night, your armpits feel very fresh, and the fragrance is also there. I've actually tried out this particular product with some workout and even with some evening walks, and even if you sweat, the freshness is still there, which I really like. So it works really well. Only one thing what I experienced is this particular product is very convenient to use with shaved armpit area or waxed armpit area, because if you have hair in the armpit area, it would be very inconvenient to use the deodorizing cream, because it is a cream base. It becomes a little messy. So that is the only thing I felt that the product could have been better. Otherwise, no complaints with the product. This product works very, very well. I think overall I love this product, and I would like to give a thumbs up from my side, and I would definitely recommend you guys this product. So yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I hope you like this review, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you know what needs to be done. Please hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. And I'm going to see you guys next Saturday. Till then, take care. Bye.